This is the most gate-kept blush, cream blush in all the land. The best cream blush that you've never heard about. It's the Bobbi Brown Pot Rouge for lips and cheeks. Timestamps are below if you just want to jump to the swatch. But here she is in all her glory, my baby girl. This is the shade Powder Pink. Hefty price tag, but lasts a long time. I've had this for over 5 years. I know you're supposed to throw it out after 12 months, but come on, it doesn't smell bad, so I'm keeping it. They have a limited shade range. That's their biggest downfall. Let's cut to the swatches and the application. So nothing on the cheeks, no highlight, no blush, no bronzer. And that's like more than I would ever apply, but for the sake of this video, we're gonna go crazy. Insane color payoff. And then I still have some left over on this finger, which I'll go over in the crease of my eye. I'm going to take my clean middle finger and just blend this out. And you're going to see how effortlessly it blends. The Flush Sweatproof for my spin classes. It doesn't cling to dry spots and it doesn't accentuate your pores. I like to bring it up a little bit. Whatever I have left on my fingers, I just kind of bring it on the bridge. I still feel like I have a little bit too much on my finger, so I'm just going to tap a little bit off before I go in my crease and just tie everything together. I still pair this with a powder blush. I'll show you the powder blush that I like, the combo Laura Mercier Color Infusion in Rosé, which just sets it and makes it last even longer. Let's put them side by side, just for fun. The Bobbi Brown is definitely a little more orange-hued, which is what makes it universal. Very forgiving. As you can see, I went a little crazy, and you can blend it out, and it just looks so natural. And you can use it on your lips. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful, and subscribe for more. We're just a little baby channel over here.